Alright guys, day 4 or 5 of the California trip. Today we're in sunny Monterey, California, which, fun fact, if you didn't know, Big Little Lies was heavily filmed, if you know the show, on Hulu, maybe HBO, it might be on HBO Max. Heavily filmed on location in Monterey and surrounding areas. So it's a show me and my girlfriend are watching right now. Don't spoil anything, because we're not done with it. Anyway, let's go ride around. The fuck? Alright, well that was a little embarrassing. I just crossed by those kids and missed second. Yeah, just thought I'd hit them with a rev bomb real quick. Hey, it happens to the best of us, alright? It doesn't matter how good a rider you are, you will miss you will miss second, you will hit neutral and rev bomb the shit out of something. Luckily I don't have a loud exhaust, so I'm chilling. I don't really know much about this place apart from the show. But yeah, right now I'm going towards the water, or at least where the water is. We're gonna check that out a little bit. I don't really know if Monterey is that big, to be honest with you. Okay, yeah, now I don't know where the hell I am. In fact, it says do not enter. Oh, it's a one-way. Okay, this is near the water, I think. Yep, but we are gonna turn around because I don't know where the hell I am. But there's, yeah, when I was coming in, look at all the boats over there. There are tons and tons of boats. It's just a big harbor. Like, look at the houses. I think the Big Little Lies cafe is like somewhere over there. I looked it up on Google Maps and that's where it's said to go. So we're kind of just gonna roam around. A lot of this is probably more walkable than rideable. Like over here to my left, the historic park, I guess. I have no idea where we are going right now, by the way. I think I see a resident. Oh, there's a Boy Scout lodge. I wonder if the Boy Scouts get like diddled over there. There is like a naval base around here. That could be where that is. In fact, it probably is. Oh, yeah, look, U.S. Army. Or Army? I thought it was a naval base. Visitor entrance, museum, I don't know. Probably the naval base. I don't really know if Monterey is touristy or anything, but I don't know. I just knew it from the show, and I knew I had to make my way down here. My car is parked like, I don't know, 20 miles from here. Like, I rode from where the car was parked to here. Damn, I can't see anything in this tunnel. Poorly illuminated ass tunnel. My shoes coming untied. There's stuff that in there. Bike's warming up, man. Especially come these next like couple days. In fact, if we make it to LA, if my brother can do the trip and everything okay, if we make it to LA, it's gonna be 88 both the days that we will be around that area. That's honestly just too hot. A little park here, I think. It'd be a nice day to go in a park. It's very windy. That was the other thing. When I was on the freeway to actually get over here to Monterey, worst 20-minute ride of my life. The freeway was blowing me around so much. I couldn't hear myself think. I couldn't hear my music that was going. It was bad. And I thought maybe it wouldn't even show up on the recording if I recorded it. Pet grooming. If only I had a pet. Pets are hella expensive, man. My girlfriend wants me to get a cat. Listen, man, I have nothing against cats, but money. Any pet you get is not cheap. It doesn't matter if it's a cat, dog, parrot, fucking gerbil. It doesn't matter. It's not cheap. One of the underrated parts I think about like taking a road trip and just going somewhere is the people you meet. I've had like a number of people just come up to me. I don't even have to be on the bike. If they see the bike in the trailer, we're just talking about motorcycles, like just talking for like 30 minutes to an hour, man. It's actually really cool to meet new people and hear their experiences and stuff like that. And that's, I don't know, I love it. There's an airport here apparently too. What the? Really? That must be, I guess so. Look at these antique cars, man. Jesus. Well, disappointingly so, it seems that Monterey doesn't have much to offer, apart from just being a nice little cute little area. And there's nothing wrong with that. Man, they got a Home Depot over here too? Where the hell am I? Is this still Monterey? This might be the like outskirts. This could be Seaside. Yeah, there it is. It's Seaside, which is like right next to Monterey. I'm kind of disappointed, man. Like these big places, what the hell? Anyway, these big places, they have like so many people and so many tourists. It's just like, it's not even worth going to, man. If I just want to ride around, I got to ride through traffic and it's just frustrating. But man, oh man, is it windy. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm having a hard time actually staying in the lane, like where I want to stay in the lane, because it's just the wind pushing me around. Oh my god, dude, this wind is crazy. I can't stay straight. Even when I try to lean, it wants to push me to the right. And I mean, it doesn't help that it's like a flat. That's not flat. There's some hills over there, but I don't know, some crosswinds coming in. It does not help. Yo, you want to race, bro? Your Honda CR-V, bro, you're not taking me. I'm sorry to say. That acceleration's 3 or 5 business days, alright? Man, I could be in the Florida heat right now, man. Daytona Bike Week. Hey, maybe next year. maybe next year. I don't mind doing what I'm doing right now. I just haven't seen a lot of bikers. I mean, if you're a local and you live here, I bet it's cold for you, you know? This is the off season for them because they're used to like way warmer weather. Oh, that's a cool bridge over there. Or train tracks or whatever it is. I mean, I'm sure it's closed, but all right, maybe with the speed limit slowed down a little bit, I can hear myself think. This helmet that I'm wearing, it's, you know, the Shoei RF 1400. It's a good wind protection helmet. Like it reduces wind noise. It's some of the best on the market. But even still, man, like you're gonna, in a windy day, you're gonna feel it. That's just the nature of riding motorcycle. Is you're just gonna feel the wind, and you're gonna hear the wind too. It's something you don't even think about when you're in a car, because like hearing the wind, like you can feel the wind if it pushes your car around or something like that, but hearing the wind, like as loud as you hear it in a motorcycle helmet, yeah, it's not even close. I mean, I could use some food. I hope there's some good food here in Castroville, because I'm hungry. Your boy's hungry. What level of like quality of living would you guys be willing to live in order to like live in an expensive area? Like, would you live in a trailer home if it meant you could live in like sunny San Diego or something like that? Or would you want something like a bit of higher quality of living and, you know, more space or whatever it is, and choose to live somewhere that's not as nice weather-wise, or you know what I mean? Because me personally, I don't think it really matters where I live and even how I live. I'd like to have some luxuries. You know, I want electricity. That'd be nice. I don't really want to live out of a car, even though I could. I just mean, I'm talking long term. Like long term, yeah, I want a house, some sort of house. It doesn't matter where that house is, though, is what I'm saying. Like, it could be in the middle of nowhere. I do not care. Plaza, that has some things over there. Looks like it's closed or something. I don't need gas or nothing. I make sure I top up on gas every time before I load the bike back up, because I never know when I'm gonna have access to gas or how long I'm gonna have access to gas for. Is this a school? I guess it is. Yeah, so I guess that's a school over there. Oh yeah, no shit, there's a school bus right in front of me. Oh, they got a subway? Shit, I might have to hit up that subway. Isn't it legal to lane split? We might do that to get over there. Or we could probably just get over there some other time. Alright, we'll turn in here. Oh, big jump. Oh. Yeah, bro, Burger King, bro. I'm never eating at Burger King, ever. I don't think I ever have before either. Yeah, Burger King just seems so ass to me. I guess if you're feeling like a burger, no shit. If you're feeling a burger, order fucking Burger King, but guess what? I'm not feeling a burger, so I'm not gonna order no Burger King. Subway has a drive-thru? How did I not know that? Or maybe this one does. Maybe they don't normally. Yeah. Yeah, I did. Perfect. You want me to put it inside or just do like that? You could just leave it, however. Do you guys have a bathroom by chance? Yeah, it's to the right. Okay, perfect. Thanks. Last door to the right. Okay, thank you. What the f... Hi, guys. Alright, well, let's rate the bathroom, shall we? I'm not gonna show you guys my dick. Alright, solid bathroom. 7 out of 10. It's like, good to go. Thanks, man. Alright, well, food is secure. The only question is, how am I going to get it to fit in my bag? This is a big ass thing. So let's see if we can figure that out. Because I have my laptop and my wallet and things in there. Shit. Alright, I think we're going to have to open the bag up and take the things out. Like, he even stapled it for me, man. Oh, shit. I just stole... I didn't mean to steal, bro. Oh, shit. Listen, my tax dollars go to Subway anyway. It funds this shit. It's all good. I accidentally grabbed... I didn't think he would put the drink in the actual order. I put the hot stuff, but he did. Now I have 2 drinks. Man, it's my first time stealing, guys. Please be gentle on me. Hopefully 12 is not on my ass. Okay, perfect. Gotta throw this out somewhere. Is there a trash can? Nope. Guess I'll shove it up my ass. Maybe I can just crumple it up and put it in here too. Alright, well guys, I'm gonna get this home to my car, and yeah. Dude, it smells like seafood here. God, I hate seafood. You know, it's always a little nerve-wracking pulling back into where you leave the car unattended, but we'll see if it's still there. And yep, I see it. It's that white, ugly-looking GMC right there with that trailer. That's me. I mean, I certainly make sure that my vehicles are locked up and it's good to go before I leave it, before I leave it unattended in a place that I don't know. I think it's just good in general. That's something you should do. I'm glad to see that it's still there. I figured that, you know, this big ass parking lot would probably be good because I'm hungry. I want to eat very badly. There she is, boys. Beauty. But you know, look, I got a lock on here. When I put my bike on the actual trailer, I put like a bike lock that hooks it right here. Even though, you know, you could take these apart. In fact, what the fuck? Is this even welded together? Is that even held together with anything? Or is this... Whatever. Anyway, trailer's looking good. I'm not going to load it up right now because I might go back out. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'm going to eat this food. And I still got like 5 or 6 days left on the trip. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.